I'm Oscar. This is my home, and I'm the boss here. Tony, this is my homie, Tony. And this is my servant.
She always keeping me from drinking water.
But today, she got me something new. It seems interesting. Allegedly, it can hold up to 108 on the water. Oh, that's my tie. That's enough water for a whole week. Wow, this is just like a magic box. This tastes way better than any water. Yo, Tony! Looks like our servant got one for you too. Tasty good, huh? And I don't have to bear the sound of dripping water anymore. Oh, this is perfect. Not bad. That looks very clean.
Alright, here's your reward.
Love you all.